Hey guys, my name is Rick. I'm going to be taking you on a tour of my virtual whiteboard lesson on the 13 colonies. The lesson begins with a video that I provided off to the left side of the screen here, and I was able to put that in there by using this awesome feature down here, paste iframe code, and once you get here, you'll be able to copy and paste a YouTube video that you like and embed it right onto the virtual whiteboard. And once that happens, it'll come up and look like a text box. It'll be kind of small, and you'll be able to blow it up or make it any smaller to fit your needs to make it fit right into the lesson. And after you watch that video, you're going to come here to mapping the 13 colonies. And what's awesome is I got these stars using the shapes function over here, and these are just a bunch of squares that I blew up to make it look like the flag to make it more eye appealing. And you could drag the stars right over to their correct position on the map. And you can make it bigger or smaller to make it easier to see for people. Down here we have the 3 regions of the 13 colonies. Again, all provided in the video. And I used awesome feature down here, the sticky note function. And I was able to put the abbreviations again right in the sticky notes. And you can drag them right into their correct box. You can have the students come onto the board and do it. It's real nice. So the third one I have is the match each trading item with the region it is associated with by drawing a line. And what's awesome about this is there's a line function right over here on the left side of the screen, and you can choose a line. And once you choose that line, what's great about using a text box is that you have the ability to connect it to one of the circles, so it makes it look a lot neater. And you can connect it to another circle found on another text box that I used, just like that. And it's a real nice, easy way to make it look nice and clean and look really neat for your class to be able to follow you. And that is the entirety of my lesson. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.